Tonight, the FDA claiming without evidence that COVID shots are linked to at least 10 children's deaths and vowing new vaccine rules because of it. In an internal memo obtained by NBC News, the director of the FDA's vaccine division, Dr. Vinay Prasad, alleges no fewer than 10 deaths reported to the agency between 2021 and 2024 were related to the COVID vaccine.
It appears 10 deaths of children from the COVID shot. We're going to make that information available.
This is super interesting to me, and I'm going to say it because you all need to know. One of the things when it comes to death and how we know someone died is simply what the doctor or the person who was there puts on that death certificate. So while I may say that 10 deaths directly came from the vaccines, there truthfully is no way to really know what a lot of those deaths actually came from. Now, there's data that may be existing that can say, hey, this thing also was prevalent in this person, and we can conclude that maybe these two things did cause that, but there's no way to really know. It's always going to come down to, when we look at statistics on death, it's always going to come down to what does a death certificate say. For instance, if it says heart failure, person died because of CHF, that's what's going to be on the death certificate. So that's an interesting point that he said only 10. I just want you all to know that is not that relevant, because in theory, whatever the doctor puts on that form is what we have to go by when we collect our data and statistics. But let's go on.